What's one thing that comes to your mind when I say hacking? Well, let me guess. A guy wearing a hoodie, busy with codes, sitting in a dark room with blinking lights, who can hack anything and everything in a blink of an eye. Guess what? That's not entirely true. Not even close. Thanks to movies and shows, this is what most people think hacking is. But is it really as simple and cool as portrayed in the media? Are we safe from cyber threats even though we don't have any sensitive information worth protecting? To tackle these questions, in this video, we will be talking about some of the most common myths around hacking and cybersecurity. So stay with us till the end. Myth number 1. Hackers can gain access to any information instantly. Many believe that hackers can get access to information or passwords by using a single command, typically in seconds. But unlike the far-fetched portrayal of films, hackers often use certain tools and software to target a website or IP address, and the actual process can be a bit time-consuming. While it's true that once you know the vulnerability in a system and have pre-built tools ready, it doesn't take time at all. That's not what actually happens in the real world. Movies don't show the few weeks spent to find a way to circumvent the security. Real-life hacking takes time and many failed attempts until you find that one crack in the wall and then you get in. Myth number 2. Hackers only attack huge companies. So small organizations and the common public need not to worry about their security. While the big companies and organizations might be an obvious target, small businesses lack advanced security solutions, making them much more vulnerable and easier targets for cyber criminals. Truth to be told, it's not just the businesses. Even we, as individuals, often ignore the potential of cyber threats, assuming your data is not worth protecting. Remember, social media apps that you use on a daily basis sell your data to make money, and hackers can cash in on that information for data ransom, identity theft, or just because they want to. There are many other ways we, as individuals, are exposed to cyber crimes like data stealing, malware, planting viruses on computers that automatically steals your information, or just the traditional phishing and fraudulent websites. The more cookies you have in your browser, the more your every step is being followed. Number 3. Hackers can't access your data when you are in incognito mode. Guess what? Even that's not entirely true. By using incognito mode, you can prevent data from being stored on your system, which means you can hide your browsing activities, but your data is still visible to your internet service provider or so-called ISP. Many major websites can still track and record your behavior in the incognito mode, which means you are not completely private. Additionally, the hackers use a technique known as canvas fingerprinting to track you while you are in incognito mode, where your personal information from sites you browse is being shared, even though you are in a private browsing mode. Although sometimes blown out of proportion, when it comes to your personal information, the threat is very real. Understand, learn, and educate yourself and the others on internet safety. With rapid advancement in the field, cybersecurity awareness is no longer a choice, it's the need of the hour. Thank you.